The rupee continues its free fall.
The rupee clearly isn't focused as it is trading at its 6-month low.
मसला यह है कि इकोनॉमी डगमगा रही है.
सबसे छोटा रुपया.
The rupee's worst ever performance was in September 2013, until now. Since the start of this year alone, the rupee has lost 13% of its value, and we may well be on our way to touching the 73 mark very soon. Never before have so many rupees been spent to buy a single dollar. The worst part is, there's little India can do about it. Donald Trump has spoken of his desire to turbocharge the US economy to a growth rate of as high as 6%. To his credit, this has worked. Their GDP has picked up, unemployment has gone down, and their stock markets are showing great returns. But to make this happen, he's had to reduce America's dependence on the world by moving manufacturing back home, dictating global oil prices, and making it attractive for investors to bet on America. With President Trump pulling back dollars and decreasing its availability across the world, the dollar has touched its strongest point in 30 years. But since most economies conduct trade in dollars, and since most of our currencies are backed by the green buck, this imbalance of USD has thrown the world economy into a tizzy. In India, it means our current account deficit is growing and inflation is on the rise. Despite this, India has not stopped importing oil, stuff that accounts for nearly 52% of our imports. This has meant a rise in petrol prices and diesel prices, and a rise in prices of everything that depends on oil for its production and running. And the cherry on top? We're losing our foreign institutional investors. In August 2018 alone, investors pulled out $1.7 billion to put in better performing economies. With depleting forex reserves, the value of the rupee is plummeting, essentially the complete opposite of what's going on with the dollar. There are only a handful of things that India can do to respond. Read our article below to learn about it. Is the trade war between the US and China an opportunity for India? WTD News collaborated with Mr. Manaz Merchant to bring to you this video. And while you're at it, don't forget to like and subscribe.